Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to Long Range Weather Forecast discussion for November 8th to 20th. November 8th to 12th, we are expecting a fairly amplified flow across North America. You can see where you have this ridge here over western North America that extends from Alaska northward. And we have a fairly deep trough over eastern North America extending from this upper low up in northern Canada. Now, within this flow, there will be several disturbances moving through, and this will keep the weather kind of active across the northern states, especially the Great Lakes with lake effect snow. Now, concerning the potential coastal low that is forecast to affect the East Coast, we got to take a look at the models here. This is the GFS, and we come to Thursday. Here's a system down here, and here we have snow. There's 540 line, and then we go to Thursday, and this is the GFS has it more inland, and then it brings more rain. But New England and interior Northeast will get snow. Come to Friday. Then we look at the European. Seems to be slower. Now here's the 540 line here. This would be snow. And then we go to Friday. 540 line moves in. There might be a little bit of snow across here as the system exits, but there's not much of a chance. Then we'll be looking at several systems. You can see here's one clipper moving across the northern states, and then bringing some snow. There's GFS, kind of similar. GFS has more precipitation, but it's going to be quite cold. And then we bring the snow in from Monday, and this is the GFS brings snow to the coastal regions of the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast on Monday. And then we look at the GFS, kind of less snow, but here's the 540 line. So north of it, there's a little bit of snow. So it's going to be fairly active. Things to watch over the next couple of days. Now, elsewhere, the west will remain warm and dry, which is much needed rain. Some precipitation, you can see here, might move in to parts of the coastal ranges of the Northwest, but generally warm and dry. Now, looking at the period for November 11th to the 15th, the flow remains amplified. We still have our ridge trough configuration. It doesn't really change. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees above normal here, below normal temperatures, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation generally from much of the western U.S., and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. And then we have above normal precipitation here, keep it on the low side, but hedging towards higher, giving it a 40% chance of above normal precipitation here. Looking ahead to the next period, this will be for November 16th to 20th. And the pattern remains locked. And you can see we still have our ridge trough configuration. The model's a good agreement. So I'm forecasting for this period, little change in the temperature anomalies, and also little change in the precipitation anomalies. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for November 8th to 20th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.